Well, here I am at Bridge Motorcycles in Exeter, in Devon. Okay, so yeah, I'm just having a walk round. I just want to show you the models that are up for sale. There's a very special bike in there on the Triumph stand, which you'll see in a little bit. So, but there's some very special deals. I'm going to walk around, see what you think. Okay, bye. So what I thought I'd do is, I haven't done this before, so I'm hoping that you guys are going to like it. If you don't, just tell me, I won't do it. But I'm at Bridge Motorcycles in Exeter in Devon in the UK, and I'm just going to have a wander around. Just want to show you what they've got. And what I've seen first of all is this.
For comfort wise, that
Triumph Bobber, limited edition.
very few these days because they're big focus tire books of the adventure style one.
And it's a TFC factory custom Acroprovic pipes, but look at it, it's absolutely gorgeous. That's carbon fibre, but it really is absolutely beautiful. That's the price. It's number 166 of 750 worldwide only. Right, okay, but 17,294 on the road. I gotta be honest, that is absolutely beautiful. Now in the UK, they're 75, and Bridge have only got two. They've actually sold one. They've only got one left. Now listen, today's date is the 14th of March 2025. So if you want one, you're going to have to get down here quick, aren't you? It's absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So looking around, loads of bobbers.
See ya. I'm Chris, I'm with Further Help, alright?
Hi Chris.
Yeah, you?
Yeah mate, having a wander around.
Are you wandering aimlessly?
No, I've got a mission.
You need someone to come and pick you up.
So yeah, we've got the full range of Triumphs. Looks like we offer £500 contribution. So new rider program. So that needs looking into. But these are great value, aren't they? Look at that, look. See, look at that. That's actually very good value, isn't it? For $660. It's very nice. Very nice. The Rocket. That's a demo. I'll take that out, I think, if they let me. So, the Rocket is 23,000, if you can see that. 23,195 on the road. This is the Storm R. Yeah, it's very nice. But anyway, so let's look at the second-hand sales. Wow, look at that. Was £16,000, now £13,999, £2,096 saving for a Speed Triple. Look at that, RS, beautiful like that. Not sure what the mileage is, but that's very, very nice. They're holding their value, aren't they? That's the Speed 400. Took one of those out, it was lovely. Yeah. Just wandering around, and seems to be a sale going on here, so look at that. £500 off that. It's the Yamaha XSR 900. To be honest, they're selling loads of bikes now, so there'll be a lot of second-hand bikes coming in. So it's yeah, I think it's fantastic. What I have noticed This is BSA Gold Star 650, 812 mile, right new to be honest. Look at that. Was that £1,500 off? This one's been pre-registered, I think, so it's £6,000 for the black one. Harleys. Do you know, there's a time when you wouldn't get a penny off a Harley, would you? And look at them now, look, there's been discounted. I have no idea what's happened with Harley. Has the world changed where people don't want them, or is it they're just too expensive? I think it's a generational thing, to be honest, in Harleys, because I think my generation have moved on a bit, and the new generation perhaps aren't really that interested in that style of motorbike. Perhaps, I don't know. It's or is it Indian that's made a big impact on their, on their on their sales? I don't know. Probably a combination of both. But look at this one, Hobelfar. Looks nice in black, I think. 18,000. Look, you got £2,200 off. Oh, 0% finance. Well, as I said, there's some deals to be had ready for the summer, isn't there? But yeah, a little small bike here. What's this one here? This is a little Suzuki S125. Retail is 5,000 and 4,299. Some big savings, isn't it? I just wonder if they're making money on that. I'm sure they are, but this is good value, I think. It's a Kawasaki Vulcan S. It's a 650, but they've got, again, discounted, look, £456. So it's from 7,700 to 7,249. But that's actually, I think that's a very good bike, that. 0% finance. Well, that's good value, isn't it? Compare that to the Suzuki. That's very good value. This is a nice little bike, that. Yeah, so let's have a look at the scooters here. Don't tell anybody, but I actually enjoy riding scooters. Jane doesn't. Jane hates the things, but I love them. I think they're great. So, what have we got here? The Vespa, Piaggio. I don't know how much they are. 5,310. So that's a 125. Oh, you get £600 saving on that. £500 saving on this one. What's that? That's a 125. Look at this. This is crazy. Because these are fantastic. That's the Versi 650, which is an astonishing great bike. It's a fabulous bike. Savings of 8,219. Now, 6.5. That is right. If you want an all-round bike, you get yourself down here. Seriously, before they change their mind on that price, because that is crazy. 6.5 grand for a bike like that. That is crazy money. Oh, it's 23. Okay, so it's not new. I thought it was a new one. No, it's done 3 miles. So it's pre-regged, isn't it? 3 miles. Still extremely good value. Right, we've got an electric bike there. So this is the... Is there any discount on this one? What's the... which one's this? The 1,000 or the 1,100? I don't know. It's the 1,000. It's 1,000. So that's... I tell you what I love about this is the comfort of the seat. It's a nice, big, juicy seat to sit on. Yeah, it's very nice. Ideal for touring around. So this... Oh, okay, that's interesting. So we've got a pre-owned one here. Well, this is the 650. Of course, it's got the panniers on this, hasn't it? So, but this has done 4,000 miles. 23. But look at the price on that. Listen, guys, that one over there. This one. I'll say, deal of the week, really. Extremely good value, that. Seriously, if you want an all-rounder, when you've got a second-hand one here, it's the same bike basically. With some 4,000 miles, and it's £2,000 more. Right, okay, it's another 1,000. Kawasaki's. So I'm going to whip over now to the other side. All right, boys? All right? Oh, pull. So let's get over the other side to Honda. Right. So British Motorcycles have been here for many years. I used to work for them many years ago in the 80s. Yeah, 1980s, not 1880s, before you say so. Yeah. Hello, you alright? Right, so here we are. This is a new showroom. And I've got to say, it looks absolutely fantastic. So let's see what sort of deals we got. Okay. There you are. Mega scooter of mega scooters. Fantastic. Right.
Any soap works over the weekend, just leave it in the office.
Right. The showroom is superb though. Look at this. So African twin, crikey. Right, so that's 18 grand. A lot of money, but don't forget you got the tins. So an extraordinarily fantastic motorcycle, isn't it? You know, if you want to go adventure touring, is that the choice of bike you go on?
Well, I think I've got one more bike to come over, which is Dave's CBR 600.
So, right, so here we go. The flagship of all bikes, eh? Oh, Honda, £32,918. Oops. What? I struggle. Now, listen, I haven't ridden a bike without a clutch, so... yeah. It's to me it's sort of missing, but I need to take one out. And I will, and then I can judge it. But obviously that is just, I think, voted the most reliable motorcycle in the world. So I've been told. So this is the new showroom. I think it's fabulous, isn't it? And you've got TV screens, new. Look at that. That looks great. I like the background there. But right, how much is this? This is the CBR 1000RR. 23 and a half grand. I mean, it's just absolutely amazing, isn't it? Beautiful bike. So let's nip in and see what they have second-hand, shall we? Right, before we go into the second-hand, this, I would love one of those. See, Honda Adventure 750. It's a nice deal on that. But I love these. I think they're fantastic. Seat, nice. I tell you what, I think that's fantastic. You can put boxes on the back of them, and you know, you go adventure touring, don't you? So right, let's get through to the used department. Holy smokes. Right, first thing I've noticed, the stock level's low. There's another one of these scooters, I love them. So what jumps out at me then? Oh, I remember I had one of these on a holiday in Tenerife. When Jane and I went to Tenerife, and we had a fantastic time. If you haven't been to Tenerife, go to Tenerife. Don't just sit on the beach, get up in the mountains, because seriously, absolutely amazing. Probably the best roads I've ever ridden on, and spectacular, absolutely amazing. And so we went on the 300 Forza, and we're cruising at 70 mile per hour, 2 up on the dual carriageways, and up over the mountains. It was superb, absolutely great. So what have we got here then? Any special bikes? Okay, that's a little, is that PC? Yeah, PCX 125, 2,500 miles. Right, hey, here we go. This is good value. 400 quid off that one. What's the mileage on it? 2,500 miles. It's nice, it looks nice in red. I love these, I think they're fantastic. 3.5 grand with 1,000 miles on that. So, I tell you what, they're really low on stock. Wow. New motorcycles are selling really well now. So they said there's been a huge demand for new motorcycles, so there will be lots of Part X's coming in. So this is the lowest I have seen. Look at that, those gaps there. Yeah, I haven't seen Bridge second-hand department in this part of the showroom. I haven't seen it this low. There we go. Look at that there. So it's, we've done 424 miles. This is a Goldwing with 28,999. So there's a bit of saving, isn't there, on that? Like 5 grand. I like it in the black as well. Oh, now this has done 3 miles, 24 grand. Looks nice. It's a great bike. It's not for me. I like me Go V twins, but it's a fabulous bike. So, what have we got here? Oh, holy smoke! Look at this. £1,700. It was 16,699. Now 14,999. £1,700 saving on that Tiger 1200, eh? With the 2 tins. The mileage. Let's look at the miles. 3,000 miles. So, and the year is 23. So it's not old. It's good saving, isn't it? Very good. Yikes. Size of that box. That's enormous. That's a little 800, I think. Yeah. So what's the value of that? Well, see, that's good value, isn't it? It's yeah, this is a Tiger XC. This is the one with the spoke wheels. But it's 800s are great. I took one of these out and I was very surprised how well it went. But on 21,000 miles, and it's £6,000. Wow. Here's a nice African twin, second hand, with the tins on, look. So 12,000. Actually, there's no discount on that because I'm assuming they sell very well. Yeah. This is, well, that's just crazy, isn't it? Look at that, look. These are fantastic. You know, they really are. Absolutely beautiful. It's an NC 750X, 3,800 miles. What age is it? It's 23. Looks like new. And £6,500. Now I tell you what, if you want a bike for everything, like going to work, you know, going out for the weekends, putting a tent on the back, going around the world, that is a very good choice. They've actually got a few here as well. They've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's, yeah, crazy, isn't it? Is that good? So basically that's the roundup of motorcycles on the 14th of March 25. So thanks for watching, and if you like what I'm doing, I'm going to do this on a regular basis. Please put the thumbs up, please subscribe because there's lots more to come. Alright, love to all, and see you on the next one. Bye.